Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by choosing a quiet, dim place with minimal distractions and low light. Set temperature to about 65 degrees F for comfortable sleep and lower metabolic activity. Limit screen exposure at least 30 minutes before your nap to reduce stimulation. Use an eye mask and earplugs to block light and noise effectively. Set an alarm for 10-20 minutes depending on needed refresh versus grogginess. Plan a brief walk or splash of water after the nap to wake fully. Avoid caffeine 3 hours before napping to improve sleep quality. Begin with progressive muscle relaxation by tensing, then releasing each major muscle group. Spend 1 to 2 minutes on each area to reduce physical tension. Practice box breathing with 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds exhale, 4 seconds rest. Try a 20-minute caffeine nap by drinking coffee immediately before lying down. That technique uses caffeine onset to boost alertness after waking. Avoid naps longer than 30 minutes if you need to prevent sleep inertia and grogginess. Use comfortable support for your neck and keep your spine aligned while you rest. Wake to a gentle alarm and avoid hitting snooze to prevent deeper sleep cycles. Expose yourself to sunlight within 5 minutes of waking to reset circadian signaling. Hydrate with a small glass of water to support alertness and circulation. Do light movement for 2 minutes, such as shoulder rolls and calf raises, to shake off grogginess. Use stimulating tasks after waking, like making a checklist or doing simple math problems. Schedule naps at consistent times, ideally early afternoon around 1:00 to 3:00 p.m. for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.